Hi there! We're gonna show you today how to film in slow motion at 960 frames per second with this Sony ZV-1 camera. First, we're gonna make sure that the camera is set to the correct mode. To do this, simply go to the camera's mode dial and select HFR or high frame rate mode. Also, make sure you have a full battery or you have it plugged in. Next, we need to select the frame rate we want to use. Set the 24 frames per second. Next, select quality priority. To film at 960 frames per second, you need to select this option. This way, you will record for a shorter period of time, but better quality. Next, select End trigger. This means you press record right after the action happened. Now we're ready to start filming. Press the center button to activate the slow motion recording mode. The camera is now in standby. When in standby, the camera records in memory, and when you press rec, it saves the last 3 seconds or so, giving you the slow motion you want. The best practice is to do a few tests, so you get comfortable with the camera, especially if you film something you cannot repeat. Do the action, let it happen to the end, and then press record. Not too fast, not too slow, just at the right time. Thanks for watching, and we hope you find this tutorial helpful.